gonna assume this. I'll go down. Defer. Maybe I'm right here. I wish I did.
Look up in that book rack right there. Might be
What's he looking at?
plug something in. I don't know what it is. Extra plug, but
An outlet?
give me an extra outlet.
There's one over there. There's one down. There's one down here. Let's see if this one's empty.
They're all loaded.
Right here, in front here. You can take the fan. Even though here's one over here. Will it reach that far?
Let's see. Hold on a second. There we go.
Good.
Okay. Okay. So,
Tight quarters. Huh?
yeah.
Okay.
We only got the recessional tray. Now, what is this? Is this anything?
That's the recession. The
Okay.
other one is Marquita's.
Okay.
The one to the left is
The marquee. Yeah, I got M Scott on there.